Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends! What are you building today? Well, I just finished building the Lego Mulans set 41151, and it's actually called Mulans Training Day. It has 104 pieces, and as always, ages 5 to 12. But who cares about the age? It's all about the fun. So anyway, let's kind of get down into the nitty-gritty and give it a quick review and show you my likes and dislikes of this set. So right off the bat, this is what the set is like once it's built. So, first off you have Mulan, and the tower, and a nice katana in the back. Really love this printed brick up here, and the design of the archway itself. I know I called it the tower, but it is really an archway. And here she has her little robot punching bag, training partner thing, guy, whatever you want to call it. And that's a pretty cool little detail in there, of course. I'll get back to Mulan in just a minute. Also, we have like a little catapult-y thing here, and a couple olives, or rocks. I call them olives because if they were green, they look like olives, and the green ones, well, we've used them as olives. Now here's a back view of the archway, and it has a teapot and a cup on the back, sort of like on the table. So that's really cool. I really like that. Nice little detail in there. And then we have like a miniature tree and some hay and our horse. So that's really neat. So let's just zoom in on Mulan, and I'm going to show you some cool features about her now. Okay, first off, this is a mini doll. It is not a mini figure. However, it is pretty cool. I mean, it fits in with the Disney Princess line. So I like the translucent fan that she has, and if you look really close to it, it has some detailed printing on it, sort of in that Asian design, if you want to call it that. So it's really cool. And she has that flower in the side of her hair. Now, once again, for people who are somewhat allergic to rubber parts, she has that rubber hairpiece, so be careful of that. Other than that, a horse is a horse, of course. Alright, not just any horse, but this is Mulan's horse, and it has really cool detail on it. It's small, but yet it's effective. It's not the same as your regular standard Lego horse, sort of like the Mini Friends horse, which is pretty neat. I like the printing on the eyes. It's really neat. It's really warming and draws you in. So any child or people who like the Friends line of bricks, this is a cool little horse. And you know, it's a great little horse. And it could be a pony as well. I'm not really sure, because I don't really know the story off all that well. I probably should, because I watch a lot of Disney stuff. But anyway, that's the way it is these days. I just sort of don't have the time, which I feel bad for. But you could use this as a pony in other creations that you make as well. It's very cool. So now her little training guy here, he's pretty cool. He reminds me of a punching bag, and he's got some sticks or nunchucks that, you know, move around, and he's got that nice wide round hat, which is really cool. I really like it. Now, one detail I really like of this whole set is this. Dead center, right here. Have a look. It's a printed tile, round, 2x2 tile that's got the dragon on it. It's amazing. I just really like that. It can be used in mini mocks, and if you're a Lego Ninjago type of builder, then, you know, you're probably going to want to pick this set up just for that tile alone. And maybe even, you know, the top piece of her punching bag and Mulan's fan itself. I really think this is a cool set, and it's something that can be well used in a lot of places. I think it would integrate very well into the Ninjago City, as well as other things like this Disney theme park like that I'm building myself. So, all in all, I think it's a really cool little set. For 18-something Canadian, it was well worth it. And if you get a chance to pick one up, it's been out for a while now, but if you get a chance to pick one up, I think you should, because it's got some really cool parts in it. And if anything, if you don't build it for this set, the parts are well worth it for itself. With my likes and dislikes, and the pros and cons I think of this set, I think it's got a lot more pros than it does cons to it. So let me know down below what you think, and don't forget, comment, like, and subscribe, as usual. Hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.